YouTube land. How y'all doing, folks? From the Camper Trailer Arnie channel, I am here in Avondale, about to go over to a welder and have the saddles welded onto the axle. You can see them from down here. That's a brand new axle. This one here is a brand new axle also. Have those saddles welded onto the axle this morning. And from the Camper Trailer Arnie channel, yeah, I've got two brand new axles. $125 a piece. Yeah, folks. I will just make a little short little video here. Yesterday I went through and attached these here on the back with screws. I did that with self-tapping screws yesterday. That way it's more secure and I don't have to worry about somebody trying to steal my electric line from inside the back compartment here, because that's where my electric line is kept, is inside this back compartment. So I screwed those on just like that, and made it harder for somebody to try to steal anything that I store inside of there. So you have to have a Phillips screwdriver to get those out, of course. So if you're walking around with a Phillips screwdriver, you're a dumb thief. Anyway, so I went ahead and attached those yesterday. That way you gotta make noise trying to steal something out of there. You gotta have to rip that thing off, right? So anyway, folks, this is the other side here. I want to show you how bad this tire got eaten up right here. Don't know if you guys can see that real good on the screenshot there, but it wore from the inside toward the outer side. And that was because the wheel was pulling out to the right hand side. So as I drive, it was pulling to the right. So here's the tread on this one. This one's decent. Yeah, this is a tread on this one. This is about 85% tread life. This one is about not even 100 miles of tread life. And this was a brand new tire a year ago December, and now it's all screwed up. But anyway, folks, if you ever have to change out an axle, I'm gonna show you what you're gonna need to buy, and I'll show you real quick in 1 second here. Give me a second, I'll be back with you, folks. This here, folks, is a sawzall. This is what I used to cut the other axle out. I'll show you what I did. Give me a second here. This is the other axle that was on the trailer. What I did while it was still under the trailer, folks, is I went underneath, had the trailer jacked up. I stuck the jacks down in this area right here, just in front of the wheel. Jacked up the trailer, put it on jack stands, and what I did was took the hub and the wheel off as one. And what I did, folks, is I went underneath with the sawzall, battery powered sawzall, and I cut it off. I cut the axle off. I just chopped it off. Just cut it right in half, folks. And then I pulled one half out on this side and pulled the other half out from the other side, folks. And that's the way you do an axle on a trailer. If you ever have to repair an axle or replace an axle on a trailer, my recommendation is get yourself either a sawzall that plugs into the 110 outlet, or get a battery powered operated one and chop that bad boy out. That's the best way to get these axles out if you ever have to change them, especially on a tandem axle trailer. Because on a tandem axle trailer, you got this balancer, this counterbalancer right here in the middle of the leaf springs. And you either have to drop the leaf spring on one end and fight with that thing like hell trying to get it back on. So instead of fighting with the leaf springs, folks, if you ever have to change an axle on a trailer, just get a sawzall and cut the axle. Chop that shit. chop it, get it out of your way, and be done with it. That's the best way to do it, folks. From the Camper Trailer Ernie channel, I appreciate each and every one of you for watching my videos. Make sure to smash that thumbs up button, and make sure to like our videos and follow us on the road. And I'll tell you what, folks, I'll put a link to the place where I bought the axles at. It's called Trailer Part Sales, and their business is right down there. Give me 1 second, I'll walk you guys down there and show you guys the front of the building. I'll be back with you folks in 1 minute. Okay, folks, you're back with the Camper Trailer Ernie channel. This is Trailer Part Sales. Their office hours are Monday through Friday, 7 to 5, and Saturday from 8 to noon. Closed on Sundays. They're located here in Avondale. I'll put the address in the video description down below. I'll put his phone number. If you guys are ever in Phoenix, Arizona, and need to get parts for your trailer or parts for your RV, come to Trailer Part Sales here in Avondale, Arizona. They're off of Fairway Drive, which is that road right down over there, straight ahead. So if you ever need parts for your RV, or not your RV, but if you need parts for your travel trailer, your cargo trailer, what have yous, whatever you have, go see him over at Trailer Part Sales and let him know that Ernie sent ya. I will put a link with his address and his phone number down in the video description down below. And if you're ever out here in Phoenix, Arizona, just a short drive from Phoenix is Trailer Part Sales. He may have what you're looking for if you need something for your RV. He's got running lights and marker lights and stuff like that too. But he mainly deals with wheels and axles and stuff like that. So, like I said, in the video description down below, I'll put his address down in the video description down below. As always, from the Camper Trailer Ernie channel, I appreciate each and every one of you for watching my videos. Smash that thumbs up button and drop us a comment down below letting me know what you think. So I'm gonna leave you guys with a little ending shot of my trailer, and like I said, smash that thumbs up button down below and drop a comment. Let me know what you think about this video, if it was helpful, and you guys might need to use the information I just gave you. And by the way, one more update real quick before I let you guys go, folks. The Camper Trailer Ernie channel now has a window. That's right, a window right here. Yeah, I just put this in not too long ago. Drop a comment down below, let me know what you think about the window. So anyway, folks, that's the update on the axles. The trailer has 2 brand new axles, and that's all I have to say for now, folks. From the Camper Trailer Ernie channel, like I said, I appreciate each and every one of you for watching my videos, and please smash that thumbs up button. And I'm gonna leave you guys with this from the Camper Trailer Ernie channel. Peace, folks. Camper Trailer Ernie's at it again. I'm having the saddle axle, the saddles welded to the axle. They're axle saddles. They're getting welded to the axle. That's my welder guy underneath the trailer. I'm gonna give you guys a shot of what his rig looks like and all that. He does on-the-spot mobile welding. This is his contact information. He's here in Tolleson, Arizona. He does welding, fabrications, axles, brakes, electrical, hydraulics, tires, and more. PacificTrailerRepair.com. On-site truck and trailer repair 24/7. That is his information right there. If you guys want to pause the video and check him out. He's got this big property here. Then he's got some turkeys over here. I'll show you in a second. He's got some turkeys over here on his property, and some chickens and some ducks. He's got chickens, got some turkeys over here. Yeah, he's even got some baby chicks over here. Yep, got some ducks. He's got some cows in the back here. They just got done eating some hay. He's got some horses back here in the back. He does all his work right here. Most of it he does here. Some he does out on site, wherever the job is needing to be done. So yeah, folks, that's from the Camper Trailer Arnie channel. He's welding the saddles onto the axles. That way the axles don't shift on me. And we'll be back with you guys, and I'll show you his work when he's done. Bye-bye.